Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today. I'm going to show you all how I achieved this look on my own, but before we get into that, I wanted to just introduce the series I am going to start doing, and that is a paint and sip, a DIY easy paint and sip at home, where I take a hairstyle that I create or maybe something else that's trending and I go in and paint it, where you will be able to join me. You will be able to create your own masterpiece at home. So it can be, you will have obviously the freedom to, style your painting however you like, but the inspiration will be hairstyles that I create. So basically, after, I guess, each hair video, I will create a hairstyle or a piece of art similar to that, a piece of art of a black woman inspired by my hairstyles. I am a hair enthusiast. That is something I always wanted to do growing up, but this is something you can look forward to on my channel. I am looking to transition into creating this channel for art enthusiasts as well. I am an artist. I create a lot of fine art and I specialize in portraitures. But anyway, I just wanted to introduce that, and I really hope you all join me on that video. You can look forward to seeing that very soon. I don't know when you're watching this. It might already be uploaded by the time you see this video. But I really do hope you enjoy that. And if you have a hair style that you'd like me to paint live on Facebook, just let me know. And I'll definitely consider doing that. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. As you can see here, I'm trying my best to tuck my hair, my real hair, within the braiding hair. I did experience a professional braider not tucking my hair. My hair was a lot shorter than this when she braided it, but she, instead of her tucking it, there were big chunks of my hair sticking out of each braid. And of course, she had every intention on cutting that. And that is something that I really try to avoid with my hair, and I feel like if I can avoid it, if I can do my best to tuck my own hair while braiding, a professional braider should be able to. But anyway, this is why I am braiding my hair. I'd much rather pay someone that is willing to tuck my hair within the braids without having to cut a lot of it. I understand that I do have a few pieces of my own hair sticking out, but it's not something I'm not willing to deal with. So yeah, but anyway, you see me here adding some hair to the ends, and I just add a little bit at a time, just so that it can flow into that braid, so that it won't be obvious that I added hair. And of course, I had to redo it a couple times, probably more than twice, until I got the hang of it. just say I'm not the best parter at all. I do the best I can, you all. It's already frustrating enough to be having a braid, this many braids, this size. So the parting, I try my best to get it straight, but with them being small, I don't think it mattered that much. And of course I'm using some gem, I believe it is, for that, for, you know, just to keep it straight hairs out of the way. This particular clip, you'll see that as I underhand braid, I did not do it past my real hair, so some of my hair, as you'll see, started to stick out, and I just simply had to go back up a little bit and redo it with the help of some gel as well, and that pretty much solved that problem. But underhand braiding is the key to tucking your hair in. So the back part, as you can tell, it looks like I'm using repurposed hair, but I'm not. You can tell it's been braided because I think I attempted the back, this particular braid a few times. I had to take it down and redo it because it probably was too much hair sticking out, too much of my hair sticking out. So I just overhand braid the back and middle section because it's just really hard not to. And I just do the best I can. I feel around, and this braid is a little bit smaller than some of them, and that's fine too. Like, who cares? I really, you know, at this point, you're kind of like over it, over the perfectionism, and you're just like, let me just hurry up and braid this stuff so that I can go about my merry way. So this pretty much took a couple of days to do, not 2 complete full days, but I don't even know how many hours, y'all. I can't even remember, I'm sorry. But it definitely took a couple days. I always do the middle part last just in case I need to go somewhere. I could just pull it up in a ponytail. But I love these braids, you all. The nice thing about doing them yourself, they're not too tight. You can do them as tight or as loose as you want. I'm not sore at all. I did keep these braids up for a few weeks. I'm horrible at keeping braids up. I will take braids down in a matter of a week, okay? Not this small, but usually when they're bigger, I'll take them down in a week or so. But anyway, so I kept these up for only 3 weeks, but because I just wanted something different after this. But anyway, I love these braids. This was before I even dipped them. I think, was this before I dipped my braids? No, this might have been after I dipped my braids. Now this picture here, this video here is definitely after I dipped my braids. This was another day that I decided to go to the park to get better lighting to show you all the braids. I hope you enjoy this video. Stay tuned for more. If you like to see more videos, just let me know what you'd like to see in the comment section. Deuces. And don't forget, y'all, we're gonna do this paint and sip, this DIY paint and sip.